Hello friends. So this is the third tense that we are discussing in our grammar tutorials. So the name of the tense is the present perfect tense. So as usual we will keep our way of discussing these tenses. First we will have the form, second we will have the distribution, and third we will have the positive forms, the negative forms, yes or no questions, WH questions, passive voice, uses of the tense. So today we will do one thing, that is the form. The form is have plus past participle. Sometimes some books you will find V3, verb, third form of the verb. V3 means third form of the verb. So have plus past participle or has plus past participle. That is, you have got a have eaten, past participle, has eaten. So these are the forms. Have walked, has walked. Have gone, has gone. Have eaten, so have played, has played. Third form of the verb, that is the past participle. In 90% cases, past participle look just like the past tense. So it's easy. Of course, irregular verbs you will have to, or strong verbs we say. But broken, eat, ate, eaten, sit, sat, so sing, sang, sung. So these are strong verbs or irregular verbs we say. That we have to learn separately. Okay? So for the time being, let's begin like this. Have or has, plus past participle or third form of the verb, that is V3 we say. Alright. Now what you have to do is, you have to distribute. You can distribute it only in 6 places. What are they, you know? 2 of them are singular, 3 of them are singular, and 3 of them are plural, you know. And what are the singular subjects? First person singular, second person singular, third person singular, he, she, or it. Or you have got boy, girl, all the things, man, table, etc. Table, chair, and so on. And plural, we, first person plural, second person plural, third person plural, they, and all the plural nouns like boys, girls, etc. etc. So once again I would like to remind you of this first person, second person, third person. First and second persons are I singular, we plural, second person you singular, you plural. All the other things in the world are third person. Understand? For third persons we have pronoun, you remember our class on pronoun, he for male, she for female, and it for neuter. But third person plural we have only one word, they. Stands for all the plurals in the world. Understand? And how do you know what is the formula to decide what is what? If it is not I, you, we, all the other things in the world are third person. If it is one, it is singular, more than one, it is plural. That's all. So simple to understand this. You remember our classes on pronouns? Yes. So we just go through that. Now the distribution begins. Also I told you in English you can begin sentences only in 6 ways. No other way out. Whatever sentence you bring, I will show you. The subject will be either first person singular or plural, second person singular or plural, third person singular or third person plural. Take any sentence. So it's easy to distribute in English. So here you have got, I have. I have eaten. You have eaten. Same, no? We have eaten. We have eaten. You have eaten. They have eaten. But here you have got a has eaten. Only one place we use has, and that is third person singular. Easy to remember. Only in third person singular you use has. All the other places have. Clear? Alright? So now is, for example, you have got you sing. Alright. Now you have got, let us say, you have got another word, talk. So what do you see? I have talked, you have talked, he has talked, she has talked, it has talked, boy has talked, girl has talked, man has talked. Table cannot talk. Table has been taken. You can say something like that. Yes. Now we have talked, you have talked, they have talked. Another. Which one you want? Sing. Okay, sing. I have sung, you have sung, he has sung, she has sung, it has sung, boy has sung, girl has sung, man has sung, neutral cannot sing. We have sung, you have sung, they have sung, boys have sung, girls have sung, men have sung, women have sung, people have sung, Americans have sung, Indians have sung. Understand? Okay, another. Jump. Now you try. I have jumped, you have jumped, he has jumped, she has jumped, it has jumped. Boy has jumped, girl has jumped, man has jumped, monkey has jumped, squirrel has jumped, lamb has jumped, then tiger has jumped, any other? Teacher has jumped, gentleman has jumped, gentlewoman has jumped, lady has jumped, child has jumped. Now when you come here, we have jumped, you have jumped, they have jumped, boys have jumped, men have jumped, women have jumped, ladies have jumped, gentlemen have jumped, teachers have jumped, I don't know why. Why did they jump? No idea. Okay, teachers have jumped, people have jumped, see that? Neighbors have jumped. I hope now it is clear. Now what you should do is, you should generate 50 sentences. 50. Very simple. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you can see man, 10 you have a woman. Father has jumped, boys, girls, men, women, women. 7. Boys, girls, yes. Men, women. Man. So now how many sentences possible? Timing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, we need one more. That is lady. Here lady, here ladies. Or anything you like. You can. So you have 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19, so you need one more, no? You have a child. Children, sorry. Children. 10. So here you have got 10 sentences, here you have got that is 20. So 5 verbs you take. You take 5 verbs like this. You can take these verbs or some other verbs. Say something like run, walk, look, sit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, stand. So 100 sentences. 100 sentences you can generate. You generate or you make 100 sentences. Here you can see now, with one verb we have 10 here, 10 here, 20. So with the 5 you can make 100 sentences. That will be a simple exercise for you. That is how you learn how to distribute has and have. Although you know has can be used only at one place, that is third person singular. So I hope that you are following and you are enjoying these classes. Bye. Have a nice time. We will continue.